What's up everyone, it's Scotty with MoneyVest. So Tesla here absolutely crushing it over the last couple days with very strong delivery numbers. I am now back in India for the next 3 weeks visiting my family and my nephew. So we'll be recording a lot of the videos from over here. But in this video, I wanted to give you a bit of an update on where we are with the Tesla stock and what the plans are moving forward. What are some of the more important critical areas of resistance that we need to watch moving forward. As always, if you enjoyed this video and find it helpful, make sure that you drop a like and subscribe to the channel. I also want to remind everyone that we are now less than 5 days away from the beta launch for the MoneyVest platform. So if you want to get access to the entire MoneyVest platform, including all the additional features and tools and functionality, you can take advantage of the 51% discount right now that we're giving out. You can lock this pricing in for life until you cancel, and you'll have access to the entire platform, all the future features, private members only videos, trade ideas, everything that we've got to offer with a link down below. And again, this right here is going to be the entire platform which you can use and plot a lot of other fundamental analysis metrics, look at our entire 20 years worth of data for whatever company it is that you're looking to analyze. This is Tesla's revenue, by the way, and you can see the gross profit and how it's gone from being negative to now very, very strongly positive. You can also plot data for quarterly numbers. So this is the last 8 quarters. You can go back as far as 16 to as many as 20 quarters for any company that you're looking to analyze. So link's going to be down below. We'd love to have you on board. And one more thing I want to mention before we get started here is that we've also got a huge discount for 4th of July. All educational courses, 60% off. Coupon code July4 also expires on July 5th. So in about a couple days, this coupon will also expire. Use coupon code July4 to get up to as much as 60% off on individual courses and bundles as well. So Tesla shares soared 10% on better than expected Q2 delivery numbers. So 443,000 deliveries in the second quarter. One of the things that we talked about in our previous videos was the idea that inventory levels was increasing. So if you come over to the balance sheet, and if you come over to the inventory for Tesla, which is going to be under somewhere over here, you'll take a look at how inventory was building up. As of the March 31st quarter, they had over $16 billion worth of inventory, which of course was a significant amount. And I think that's what the sell-through rates are coming in very strong, with Tesla releasing some of that inventory and of course getting rid of some of their vehicles. And production was 410,000. So that's why the delivery numbers were significantly higher than the production numbers, something that we discussed in our previous videos as well. Analysts of course were expecting 439,000. So again, a huge beat coming in with very strong 443, almost 444,000 vehicle deliveries, and the total number of deliveries in the second quarter fell 4.8% year over year, but up almost 15% on a quarter-over-quarter basis. Tesla has offered a huge range of discounts and other incentives this year to try to spur sales, especially in China, where they are offering a zero-interest loan as an incentive to get people to buy the Model 3 and Model Y. By July 31st, according to its 2023 annual filing, Tesla generated over $21.7 billion from its overall revenue from China, representing over a 22.5% of total sales. Colin Langan, analyst at Wells Fargo, issued a report on Monday saying the firm see declining delivery growth driven by lower demand and diminished return on price cuts. And they've also recommend selling Tesla stock. There's been a lot of shares, a lot of sort of short sellers, a lot of negative commentary around Tesla, including, of course, Ross Gerber and a lot of other people who used to be bullish or optimistic about the company have now turned to being more bearish and more pessimistic. But despite all of that, Tesla continues to prove them wrong with a massive rally over the last couple days, up 10% yesterday, up another 2.5% pre-market, trading up as much as $237 per share. And just in the last couple weeks here, it's up 42% at the moment, pushing really higher, breaking out from its lower high and its previous resistance that we also discussed in our video. A couple more things I want to mention is that investors will of course now shift focus towards Tesla's second quarter delivery numbers, second quarter earnings report, which is going to be coming out later this month, as well as the robotaxi event of August 8th, which is also going to be a huge catalyst for Tesla. And this right here is what Elon Musk tweeted: once Tesla fully solves autonomy and has Optimus in volume production, anyone still holding a short position will be obliterated, even Gates. And it's a very open, bold statement from Elon Musk saying that don't of course be short Tesla, because as soon as we solve autonomy and Optimus is being built and produced in volume, then anyone who's shorting the stock will obviously be not have a great experience. This right here from Dan Ives, also increasing his target on Tesla to $300 a share with a $400 bull case, which is going to be, of course, almost as much as the new all-time high. I think the all-time high sits at well over $400, if I am not mistaken. So if you go back, we're looking at all-time highs for Tesla, well over $410, but Dan Ives got a price target of about $400 on a bull case, $300 regular base case target 1 year out, and he expects Tesla's AI story could be worth over $1 trillion as well. So finally, of course, Tesla on the move here, breaking out, starting to kind of shift that direction. That summer seasonality, which we talked about, is finally starting to kick in, and the next resistance and target is going to be all the way up to 263. So that's going to be that target to keep in mind. However, we are now, of course, extremely overbought on the RSI and the MACD. So something to keep in mind that yes, this momentum is very strong. Yes, this rally is beautiful, but we have to understand that we are getting up to those overbought levels, overbought situation with the RSI and the MACD. So it's not unusual to see a bit of a pullback or slight profit taking from these levels. So resistance is going to stay put at 262, $263. I'm looking at selling another call today as much as 275. So 275 is going to be my next potential call strike. The first one obviously at 225, but I got paid some reasonable premiums for that. I doubt that Tesla is going to be trading below 225 by July 19. So those calls are most likely going to be expiring in the money, but profit is profit. Made some very nice gains on not only the calls, but also on the underlying share position. So wouldn't mind kind of de-risking a little bit or getting rid of some of the stock and holding, of course, majority of my position still in Tesla. So very strong move here. Let me know your thoughts down in the comment section below, and we'll go ahead and turn this level into a new support at $232 a share, and the next resistance and target is going to be as much as 263 to as much as 278. That's where majority of the supply is also sitting for Tesla. And finally, happy to say that we're turning this into a new support. A lot of the supply getting gobbled up here as Tesla stock breaks out to over 240s. 240s, it was trading as much as 240s pre-market. So hope you all enjoyed this video, found it helpful. Make sure that you drop a like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Let me know your thoughts down in the comment section below. Congratulations to all Tesla shareholders, investors, traders, everyone in the mix. And again, we're pushing higher, seeing a lot of momentum. And number one technical analyst on Wall Street, Rich Ross, says Tesla is going to new all-time highs. Also, he says Tesla stock is a must-own at 230, also coming out with a very, very bull case target, and technical analysts suggesting for Tesla to all-time highs at over $400 per share moving forward. So hope you all enjoyed it, found it helpful. Make sure that you drop a like. Also, don't forget, July 4 is a coupon code across the board for a 60% discount. And also do check out our link down below for Patreon to join our MoneyVest community and, of course, get early access to the entire beta launch, which is happening in less than 5 days. We'd love to have you on board. And again, make sure that you drop a like, subscribe to the channel. It's always happy investing, and I'll see you all in the next video.